Another style of account page that's becoming more and more common on the platform is a pure reporting platform. So as a customer of Nardone, I can actually log into their reporting dashboard. Mainly this is used for different school districts to see how much commodity usage has been incurred throughout the school year. So right now I can see how much mozzarella or tomato paste my institution has gone through. But I can also go through various different pre-prepared reports that are created from the ERP data and presented to the user. So if I were to click on this 5-year usage report, for example, I have the ability to look at my commodity usages across different commodities I'm purchasing with my carryovers and transfers and adjustments, all recorded and provided to me just at my fingertips.